Bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about uMusa Mseleka. Yabo kulesikhathi wish ngabe ngihlala eMzumbe ngizibonele mathupha. Ngoba mangiloko ngizithola la kuma social indaba zakaMseleka, angiziva kahle. Guys, yesterday sithole nesibongo sakaMusa Mseleka lesisayibo babakhe, but mina I strongly believe ukuthi if ubaba wakhe angakuhlawulanga futhi angayenzanga into efanele kibo mamakho, uwela kibo mamakho, uyingane yabo malume. So I don't understand ukuthi la muntu loyana obhalela into why abhale ukuthi uMusa Mseleka asiwaka Mseleka. But bazala bamzitho asikho lapho. We know that yesterday uMusa has posted something, then he later deleted that post. I guess amakhosikazi wakhe amkhuzile ukuthi no what babakhe, no why will you post something like this, and it seemed like uyamchukuluza usisi wakhe, because bekase ashile on the reality TV show that yena usisi wakhe they are no longer in good terms because usisi wakhe believes that uMusa Mseleka uthwele. Guys, uthi uMusa Mseleka usisi wakhe waya emuntwini oboniswayo, and loyo muntu oboniswayo watshela usisi wakhe ukuthi uMusa Mseleka uthwele ngaye. But mina guys, I always say ngiyabazi mina abantu empilweni abarelaxile and babheke abanye abantu, they always believe that umuntu oworka hard and uNkulunkulu ambusisile for the good work that he or she doing, they always say loyo muntu uthwele. But I'm not saying bazala bamzitho uMusa Mseleka uthwele. I've never met uMusa Mseleka, I don't know Musa Mseleka, but I for one, I don't believe that uMusa Mseleka uthwele. I've been saying that and I'll continue saying that, because if you even watch from season 1 till now, you'll see that growth nje le kuyakhuleka vele empilweni if usebenza bazala bamzitho. But today I just wanted to talk about post le uMusa Mseleka ayipostile izolo. On that post uMusa Mseleka stated that wakhele usisi wakhe umuzi after the first failed marriage. Umuzi wakhona it was above 400,000 guys, and usisi wakhe wacela ukuthi leyo muzi lo ucela ube ne-furniture, that yena wacela uMakhumalo ukuthi ayuse the family money that ukuthi athenge i-furniture for that house, and he did that uMakhumalo, and walandela ke naye ama-orders. She did that ukuthi agcwalise umuzi kasisi kaMpumelelo, sorry, umuzi kasisi kaMseleka uMpumi nge-furniture bazala bamzitho. So uMusa Mseleka also stated on that post that usisi wakhe ushade kayi-2 and she divorced kayi-2. Uthi the time athengela amakhosikazi wakhe izimoto, he felt that usisi wakhe naye uyayidinga imoto, but he couldn't buy that car because uyowathengela ubhuti wakhe ibhakhi. Guys, so nasi sigaca ke bazala bamzitho, you know that uSineyo ke wahlukunyezwa ngecansi and it's ubhuti kaMseleka. So there are allegations that ubhuti lo wathengela ibhakhi is the very same brother owahlukumeza uSineyo. Mara ifamily injani guys? Ifamily injani if ke siyabuzana? So obviously mhlambe that brother vele uzohamba khuluma uMusa Mseleka ukabi, and others they are saying uMseleka azange aze akhone ukubophisa or azange aze abophise ubhuti lo because of ubhuti owazi ama-secret wakhe. I do not believe that bazala. So I know some of the people that are saying comment section ngihlala ngikhulumela uMseleka, angikhulumela uMseleka guys, ngivele ngibheke indlela ngeqiniso, and mina anginayo ingxaki noMseleka, and i-success kaMseleka mina ayingihluphi ngamneso. I'm just happy there's another black man who's doing things right out there, you understand? And isithembu samseleka mina angeni indawo ukuthi ngihlala ngisho bazala bamzitho. I just nje ngiphuthe ama-comment wami, and into engiyibone wrong, into engiyibona right, but I don't believe uMseleka uthwele, and the reason engicabanga uMseleka azange azayivula icase ngendaba kaSineyo, even though siyayibona sonke national TV sineyatshela ubabakhe, I think bekuzoba nzima ukuthi bathole evidence. Yes, I believe uSineyo vele iyenzakele, and remember this thing iyenzeke uSineyo asesemncane, uSineyo sakakhulile unengane. Yabo if umuntu ahlukunyezwa ngecansi funeka a lot of DNAs, ama evidence ukuthi who was the witness, into eyiningi, and it's so difficult. Engathi ku-difficult even if ukuwumuntu mhlambe yenzeke manje then umbophisa umuntu after 3 months or 4 months, so ugezile nana. It's so difficult. That's why ama-nurses bahlala namaphoyisa ahlala a-advise abantu ukuthi if uhlukunyezwe ngecansi bacela ukuthi uze e-police station or uye e-clinic before ugeza, you understand? So vele i-evidence kuSineyo beyizoba nzima, but mina ke uMusa Mseleka ngimthandela ukuthi uthe makezwa lento azange aphikise umntana wakhe kudlula baba abaningi, kudlula nabo mama abaningi. ubelieve umntana wakhe wathatha into oshiyo Sine azange athi uSine ingane ehluphayo uSine ufuna attention ubelieve uSine. And if you watch that episode you could see how emotional uMusamseleko was and you could see ukuthi lento imenzeni uMusamseleko and uMusamseleko udlale indima yokuba ubaba kuSine ngokuqosha ubhuti wakhe. Obvious ezinye zezinto mhlawumbe onyeke aze akwazi ukuzenza and uqosha ubhuti wakhe into enkulu. If ubhuti kaMseleko had ama-secrets on Mseleko, I don't think bekazovela amqoshe iphele kanjalo. I don't think bezokwenza kanjalo. Ukumqosha wakhe is showing ukuthi cause now into enza kudala and it will cost mhlambe a lot of money ukuthi sibhadala amaloya mhlambe nalawa maloya vele kwale evidence maybe asingeke size siyithole. Kodwa into esingayenza manje ukuthi uphume la emndenini ngoba kuzoba nzima to prove that uke wayenza lento emntaneni wampani. Bazalwane bami Mzitho, that is all for now. Please comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.